my name is Haley. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a beer braised chicken, and on the side I'm going to make some white rice. And for today's recipe I got it off of halfbakedharvest.com, and I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can go on there and see all the ingredients. But I'm also going to show what I use because some of the things I didn't have, or I had to kind of use something different, so I will show you what I used too. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take the chicken breasts out of the pack, and these are boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and they look to be pretty thick. It's 1.75 pounds. It's 3 chicken breasts. So the first thing you're going to do is sprinkle some salt and pepper on them. On both sides. Okay, now you're gonna put them in some flour. It says to dredge them, so I think that means just put them in some flour and get them all floury. Just like that. Oh, I just make a mess. Right, they look like that. Okay, the next thing the recipe says to do is cook your bacon. I have 3 pieces of bacon already cooked, so I'm just gonna crumble these up and put them in whenever it calls for it. So, okay, next I'm gonna slice up my red bell pepper and also the yellow onion. I'm only using 1 yellow onion. Wow, this yellow onion is freaking like burning my eyes. Okay. Now you're gonna slice it in half. And whenever you cut the onion, you're gonna do it this way. So you see the lines going this way. You're gonna do it against that. And this is to dice it. So strong, I'm literally crying. Can you see it? Oh my god. Okay, that's good. See? See how it gets into little pieces? That's what you want. Okay, this is the rice. It's almost done. It'll be done in about 3 minutes, and I got some cast iron skillets. Oh my god. I've used this thing about, I don't know, like 3 times, and I'm in love with it. I got like a pack of 3 and it was like $40 something. I was like, wow. So I'm gonna link it below if you're interested in a cast iron skillet. Like I said, it comes in 3 sizes. This is the biggest size, a medium size, and then a smaller size. And yeah, I thought it was pretty good price because most of the ones that I looked at were like $40 for just one. So I thought it was a great deal to get 3 for the price of one. But yeah, and I got it on Amazon. The brand is Cuisinart. I guess is how you say it. Anyways, I'm gonna link it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of canola oil, just a little bit, because this is already seasoned. Alright, I'm just gonna put in like a tablespoon of canola oil. Yeah, wow, that was a lot. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn this on medium heat, like 4.5, and I'm gonna let this heat up. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the dry ingredients into this bowl so I can just dump it in there whenever it's ready to go in. It calls for 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Okay. 2 teaspoons of paprika. It calls for smoked paprika, but I don't have that. I'm just gonna use regular paprika. And it's 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of thyme. 1. Okay. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in also because it goes in at the same time. This is the Rotel mild diced tomatoes and green chilies. It just looks like this. Oh crap. It didn't say to drain it, so don't drain it. And I almost forgot, you need to put in 1 tablespoon of real maple syrup. I don't have real maple syrup, so I'm just gonna use this stuff from Aldi. It is high fructose corn syrup. So, just gonna put that in. There you go. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna put the chicken on. It says to cook them for about 5 minutes per side. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. No, it's been 3 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. Okay, and then I'm gonna cook them another 3 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. And now I'm gonna add in the onions and 2 teaspoons of garlic. teaspoons of garlic. Maybe a little bit extra. And now you're going to cook this for 5 minutes. Okay, at halfway, I'm going to go ahead and flip over this chicken again. And I'm just kind of stirring the onions and stuff on the sides. Kind of keeping them rotated. Okay, it's been almost 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the chicken one more time. And now you're gonna add in all the other ingredients. So you're gonna add in the beer. You're gonna add in the beer. This is Samuel Adams Jack O Pumpkin Ale, and it says to add all 12 ounces. And you're also going to put it on low heat. I forgot about that part. Turn it to low heat, and now you're going to add in this mixture. And you're going to put in the bell pepper. And I think that's it. Let me get this bell pepper down in here so it cooks good. Now it says to partially cover. About like that, I guess. You're gonna partially cover like this, and then you're gonna simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set my clock for like 25. Oh yeah, it says to season with salt and pepper, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Yeah, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and check the internal temperature just to see what it's at. It's at 165. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook for a little while longer. At least like 5 to 10 minutes more. Okay, it's at 25 minutes now. I'm gonna check the internal temperature again. Okay, it's at 176 now. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and they're ready to go. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all done. It looks really fancy. And there's rice on the bottom. Oh my gosh, it looks good. It's just plain white rice. It looks like it's seasoned because I put the some of the sauce from the pan in there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna just try some of the chicken alone. Oh my god. It's seasoned so good, like from the sauce and everything. I don't even know how to explain it. It's really good. It's like barely spicy. It's like the perfect amount of spice. Now I'm gonna try some of the rice with the peppers and the sauce. Sorry, the sun's coming in. The rice and the pepper and everything, so good. It's just a little bit spicy, but definitely not too much. It's like perfect. If you don't want it to be as spicy, I would definitely not put as much cayenne in it because it's a little bit spicy, but still good. If you like kind of spicy things, you will love it. If you don't like spicy things at all, just leave it out completely. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you make this, I hope that you like it. It was very good. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.